2024 Corvette E-Ray packs 655 all-wheel horsepower and accelerates quicker than a Z06. So, 2.5 seconds. The hybrid all-wheel drive C8 Corvette 0 to 60 in 2.5, the quickest production vet in history. That's kind of cool. You don't hear as much about hybrids anymore. It's all one or the other. And increasingly just the other, which is electric. But hybrid's kind of useful. Best of both, little gas over here. I know a lot of people never plug in their plug-in hybrids. They just keep charging with the gas, which doesn't maximize efficiency. You're really supposed to plug those ones in as well. After lots of leaks and teasers, it's here. Feast your eyes on the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray, first hybrid Corvette, first all-wheel drive. 70th anniversary of the original Corvette back in 1953, but obviously this one is so much more futuristic looking than that original version. These cars look pretty cool these days. Corvettes, you see them in the road. You know, if you see them in the distance, I mean, they kind of, I'm sure this has been said before, but they kind of put out like almost like a Ferrari type stance and feel. Yeah. People are angry now. They're like, how dare you call a Corvette a Ferrari? But you know what I'm saying, man? Angular and low and angular and less money.
Hey, man. They look fun, though.
No, I'm serious, man. Like, the cost to performance ratio is incredible over here. Like, let's just be honest with it. It's a lot less money, and maybe it's 80% of the fun or more. I don't know. Yeah. 0 to 60 in 2.5, 10.5 second, 130 mile per hour, quarter mile. It'll be quicker than the 670 horsepower C8 Z06 for reference. Yeah, which was 2.6 0 to 60. I like the hybrid element of it. I think it's obviously going to be more efficient. So it's faster and more efficient, which people love. 1.9 kilowatt hour battery, 80 flat pouch lithium ion cells from LG. Compared to conventional hybrids, the E-Ray's battery is tiny, weighing just over 100 pounds to keep weight to a minimum. Engineers decided to use a small battery capable of discharging and recharging quickly for a maximum performance out of a physically small package. So primarily, it's not going to be about efficiency. It's only going to be about performance, which is fine in a performance car like this. Not really usually a road trip machine, but do as you wish and do as you please. Very cool.